The James Webb Space Telescope has essentially provided the clearest image of Proxima B ever captured, offering remarkable insights into a potentially habitable exoplanet. This discovery invites us on an exciting journey through space to uncover the mysteries of Proxima B and determine if it could be the next Earth, a place we might one day venture into in the vast cosmos. Proxima B exists in the habitable zone of its star, Proxima Centauri. However, this planet is far from an ordinary rock. Proxima B resides just 4.2 light-years away from us and is shrouded in enigma and wonder. Could it be another Earth, complete with oceans and thriving life? There's more. Proxima Centauri B isn't alone in its solar system. It also has a companion, Proxima Centauri C. And there could be other hidden mysteries within this system that we have yet to uncover. Proxima Centauri is remarkable in that it generates roughly the same amount of energy from its star as Earth does from the Sun. Could this truly indicate that there is water on its surface, perhaps even life? As we venture beyond our own solar system, we encounter a completely new realm of exoplanets, planets that orbit stars other than our Sun. With over 200 billion stars in the universe, the possibilities for exoplanets are endless. Some exoplanets even roam freely through space, unbound to any star like cosmic wanderers. Among them, Proxima Centauri B stands out as a particularly fascinating and alluring planet. With a year that lasts only 11.2 Earth days and a distance from its star that places it closer than Earth is to our Sun, one side of the planet is constantly bathed in sunlight while the other side remains in perpetual darkness. Now, let's take a closer look at Proxima Centauri, the star around which Proxima B orbits. Proxima Centauri is part of the Alpha Centauri triple star system, which includes Alpha Centauri A and Alpha Centauri B. These two stars form a binary system known as Alpha Centauri A and B and are the third brightest stars in the night sky, with a luminosity of just under 2.7 times that of our Sun. Proxima Centauri, also called Alpha Centauri C, is a red dwarf star located 0.21 light-years away from the other two stars. It is the closest star to Earth, and the term Proxima means closest in Latin. Discovered in 1915 by Scottish astronomer Robert Thorburn, Proxima Centauri is not visible to the naked eye due to its faintness, with an apparent magnitude of 11.13, much dimmer than the human eye's limit of 6.5. Despite being our closest celestial neighbor, Proxima Centauri is still an intriguing star to study. Red dwarfs like Proxima Centauri are highly efficient in energy production, not producing vast amounts of energy, but maintaining luminosity for trillions of years due to their internal convection processes. Proxima Centauri will remain a main sequence star for another 4 trillion years. However, the habitability of red dwarf stars, including Proxima Centauri, is still debated. For instance, Proxima Centauri is a flare star, meaning it experiences frequent and intense bursts of radiation. Additionally, because of its low mass, its habitable zone would be much closer to the star, estimated to range from 0.023 to 0.054 Australian dollars. But Proxima Centauri B's habitability is questionable, as it is frequently bombarded by intense ultraviolet radiation far stronger than what we experience from our Sun. This radiation is so harsh that even light hydrogen particles are stripped away, along with nitrogen and oxygen. But that's not all. Just because a planet resides within the habitable zone of its star doesn't necessarily mean it can support life. Proxima Centauri B may not even have a stable atmosphere, which is crucial for regulating temperature and maintaining a water-friendly surface. Without it, any potential life would be vulnerable to extreme space weather, making the planet inhospitable. Although Proxima B may seem Earth-like at first glance, it is far from being suitable for life. Scientists remain cautious, recognizing many factors that could make the planet uninhabitable. The search to uncover the truth about Proxima B continues, and some scientists are still hopeful. One tool that has captured the attention of astronomers is the James Webb Space Telescope. After years of anticipation, the telescope was launched in 2018 and is helping us determine if life could exist on Proxima B. However, as with all scientific endeavors, there are challenges to consider. Numerous adjustments were necessary to ensure the James Webb Telescope delivers precise images. As astrophysicist Abby Tabor from Harvard explains, if a planet like Proxima B can absorb light from its star, it can also emit it as infrared radiation. The James Webb Space Telescope was specifically designed to detect infrared light, allowing it to capture images of this radiation from the planet's surface and look for patterns that might indicate water or an atmosphere. The presence of an atmosphere doesn't guarantee that life exists, cautions astrophysicist Ed Turner of Princeton University. Proxima Centauri B might have an atmosphere as dense as Venus, which would result in extreme temperatures too harsh for life to thrive. The journey to unravel Proxima B's mysteries is filled with obstacles. And while the James Webb Space Telescope offers great promise, there are additional challenges to consider. With mounting costs, space scientists feel the pressure to discover ways to observe planets like Proxima B. But the potential rewards are immense. The chance to explore unknown worlds and uncover the secrets of distant planets that might harbor life is a pursuit worth following. If Proxima B were indeed habitable, could we one day visit it? It's the closest exoplanet to Earth, which makes it especially intriguing, practically like exploring our own backyard. What makes it even more exciting is that Proxima B is nearly the same size as Earth and lies in the habitable zone of its star, suggesting it could have conditions favorable for life. Its proximity to Earth makes it an ideal target for the search for life beyond our solar system. Though we cannot reach Proxima B just yet, it's certainly on the radar for future missions. As technology advances, exploring this Earth-like exoplanet could one day be within our reach. However, such a journey would be a formidable challenge. For instance, it would take 75,000 years for spacecraft like Voyager 2 to reach the Proxima Centauri system. Nonetheless, an innovative solution has been proposed: solar sails. These ultra-thin sails could be used to propel a spacecraft to the Alpha Centauri system and, along with it, Proxima Centauri. This technology harnesses solar pressure to keep the spacecraft on course, eliminating the issue of fuel depletion. What's even more fascinating is that this cutting-edge technology could provide valuable insights into the potential for life on other planets like Proxima B. However, as with any ambitious endeavor, there are limitations. The presence of an atmosphere does not automatically imply the presence of life, and Proxima B could end up resembling Venus with its thick, hostile atmosphere. Moreover, the James Webb Space Telescope can detect infrared emissions from Proxima B if they reach a brightness of just 5% of the daytime-size light. While 5% might seem like a small figure, when dealing with a star much dimmer than our Sun, this is quite significant. One type of exoplanet that has caught the attention of space scientists is the gas giant. These planets are similar in composition to Jupiter and Saturn but are much larger. Some of these behemoths have been named super-Jupiters, surpassing even the largest planet in our solar system. Yet that's not all. There are also hot Jupiters, gas giants that orbit extremely close to their host star, existing in a scorching world with temperatures that could melt metal. Imagine seeing such a planet up close, with its furious storms and extreme heat. In addition to gas giants, there are also Neptunian exoplanets, which are similar in size to Uranus and Neptune. Among these are the hot Neptunes and small Neptunes, which are smaller and closer to their host stars than their gas giant cousins. These planets are often shrouded in mystery, with their atmospheres being difficult to study from a distance. And let's not forget the Earth-like exoplanets, which resemble our own Earth. These planets come in various sizes, ranging from smaller than our planet to twice its size. There are even super-Earths, which have masses more than twice that of our planet but are lighter than Neptune. One of the most captivating exoplanets recently discovered is Proxima Centauri B, which orbits the star of the same name. This planet is classified as a super-Earth with an estimated mass of 7 Earth masses. Although it is close to its host star, it is still too far away to be considered within the habitable zone. Proxima Centauri B isn't alone. It has a companion, Proxima Centauri C, which is much farther from the star. This planet has an orbital period of around 5 Earth years and was discovered in 2020 using pre-recovery Hubble data. What's even more interesting about Proxima Centauri is that it appears to be an incredibly bright world, possibly due to the presence of a ring system. There's more to uncover in the Proxima Centauri system. In 2019, astronomers detected a shift in the star's orbital speed, which could be the result of another planetary companion. If confirmed, this planet will be called Proxima Centauri D and will be roughly the size of Mercury or Mars. Imagine a life where the night sky is filled with stars as well as countless other planets, each with its own unique characteristics and orbits. The universe is full of surprises, and exoplanets are just one of them. With new discoveries being made constantly, it's an exciting time to be a space scientist.